Hey guys, I guess there will be a lot of people like me who are just trying to set up their dash cam. I did set up my 10th gen Honda Civic, 2017 Honda Civic actually. I did that by myself for the both front and back camera. Now this is not going to be an installation video, but I would like to show you how I did the hardwiring so that you might get a better idea of how to do that by yourself. So let's jump in. So this is a 2017 Honda Civic, 10th generation Civic. I'm just gonna go into the front seat and we'll show you how I did the hardwiring. So I got the VIOFO dash cam. This is a dual channel. That means one goes in the front and other one goes in the back side. This is VIOFO A129 Duo dash cam, I think. I'll put the link in the description below if you wanna look on the same camera. First of all, let's get started from where to put the camera. I like this place just because it's out of my way and it's actually behind the rear view mirror. Now the hardwiring, the front camera, this is the cable that goes in here, or you can put it in the side. The way I did the hardwiring is that I opened this side curtain and it says the side curtain airbag. You can just get a pry tool and open that. When you put it in, you push it, it's gonna come out. Then there is a nut, you need to take it off. After that, you just pull it off. There is 1, 2, and I believe there is another hook in the bottom here, and it's like a plastic hook. You just pull it, it's gonna come out. I'll show you for the other one on the side so that you can get an idea, and you can use the same technique on the left side too. Now you put the wire, there is a gap inside, you put the wire inside there, it come out that way. This part can be taken off, so there is a hook here, here and here. You just put that pry tool in here, push it, this is gonna come out same from here. Also there is another hook right in here and here. Put your pry tool in, push it, this is gonna come out as well. And then you can do the hardwiring with your battery. There will be a lot of videos you can find that how to, like which port you can connect. Now this goes for the front camera. For the back camera, this is the cable. I tucked in as well in here. It goes all the way along there. It comes underneath here. And let me show you, let me go on the other side and show you how I did. So just for doing it by yourself, it might take some time, but it's gonna save you quite a lot of money if you're trying to do a professional service. Now from that side, it runs along that way. I pull this strip off, and I run the along where inside this side. It comes along that way, all the way this side. Then I use this part as well. So if you see, there is the wire behind. It comes all the way to the top. I tucked it inside that way. Then it comes back to the back side. Sorry, my car is a little messy. Then it comes along that way, goes all the way back here, rounds along here. Then I just pull it off from here, and it comes with few nice clips, the small clips. I use this one. This comes for the dash cam. It's like an extra clip, but this is much more stickier. So what I did is, like, I put that first. On top of that, I put one of them so that it has some extra strength to hold the wire here, and it has a nice little push button. You can push it and it's gonna be locked in place. Then I run along here. There is other way that you can put the wire behind here. For me, the safety was really important, and for the Honda Civic, it has the side airbag. What's happened is, if somebody hits the car from the sideway, the curtain's gonna fall just down like that, and you don't want to block any of these. So that's the main reason I came down here, all the way back here, You can see the wear a little bit on the back, but it doesn't matter too much, to be honest. Then it comes along here. I just tucked it in. It comes along here, and there you go. It's a VIOFO dash cam. This VIOFO dash cam that comes with this pry tool, and I think there is another tool as well, which is really handy, and you can use that to open this side curtain airbag. So let me show you how I'm gonna open it. So you just push it in here and you do that. The first time I did that, I broke one of the clip here, so this actually falls off. But when you pull it off, it's gonna be, you know, attached here. So once you've taken off the nuts, I use the drill machine here to take it off. Once you take it off, you just hold it, push up, pull up, and then it's gonna come off. Over here, when you pull, you're gonna pull outside and upwards, and this is gonna be. And you just take it off here, and as you can see, this is the safety curtains, the side curtains airbag. Now I did not run the wear in front of it, just for the safety reasons. I don't want this to, you know, block any of the side airbags. So what I did is, on the back side, I just tucked it in here, all the way running down here, and there's a small gap in here. I just ran that. You can take this weather strip by pulling it off simply. So it's tucked in here like that. You just pull it off, and there's a small gap. I put the wear right in here. Comes all the way along down here, as you can see. Now this thing was like that, and I pulled this thing off. It was just sitting like this. It has 3 clips. All you need to do is like 1 here, 2, 3. You just pull them off and it's gonna come off. Just be careful, you don't want to pull too hard that it breaks. After that, you just run the wear along here all the way to top on the side, and it goes all the way to the back. Alright guys, hopefully this gives you a good idea of how to hardwire your dash cam, or at least how you can route them that would look nice and clean. I'm just gonna show you quickly. I'm gonna start my car and show how the camera turns on, and once I turn off the car, it stays same. Starting my car, and as you can see, starting to boot up. So it just booted up. I don't know if it's the lights, it's gonna be hard to see, but as you can see, this is the back, this is the front, looking nice and clean. I'm gonna turn off my car. And as you see, it's blinking, and now it's gonna go to parking mode. The screen just went off, so as you see, it's in the parking mode. It's showing right in here, it's saying P. That means it's in parking mode. Yeah, it's all set up. So that's how my car looks now, with the dash cam installed, nice and clean.